This one verse could save you in the last days. Romans 10:13. In a world full of confusion, where deception grows and hearts grow cold, is there one truth that can still save you? Yes, there is. One simple, powerful verse. Everyone who calls on the name of the Lord will be saved. Romans 10:13. Not might be, not if they're good enough, not if they've got it all together. Will be saved. No matter your past, no matter your sin, no matter how far you've fallen. In the chaos of the last days, when nations rise, hearts fail, and hope fades, this verse still stands. Because salvation doesn't come through religion, money, or merit. It comes through Jesus Christ. I am the way, the truth, and the life, Jesus said. No one comes to the Father except through me. John 14:6. So if you're searching, if you're scared, if you're unsure where you stand with God, call on His name. Not later, now. Because one verse, one prayer, one Savior can change your eternity.